Hey guys, this is Abhishek from GadgetSwitch.com, and today we are here at the Mobile World Congress 2015, and we are right now at the Yola booth. We have the Yola tablet with us, which is running on the Sailfish OS 2.0. It has got an Intel Atom processor inside, which is Z3735F. It has got a quad-core 64-bit 1.8 GHz CPU. As you can see, this is a pretty nice tablet to hold in one hand, and this is the second thing which they have came up with over here, and they are showcasing it. We have Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS as well, USB 2.0 connectivity, a 3.5 audio jack. The build quality of the device is good enough. I would say it is again plastic all over. We have plastic at the back, but it does not feel cheap in any way. We have a, I think this is actually a SD card slot. So this is the SD card slot. You have a charging port over there. At the rear we have a pretty good camera, which is a 5 megapixel autofocus camera. Can record high definition video at 1080p. There is a 2 megapixel fixed focus camera as well. The battery inside is 4450 milliampere battery, which will give you around 5 to 6 hours of battery backup easily on continuous usage on this one. And we have a weight of 384 gram, which does make this one not very heavy and not very light either. Again, this is a pretty decent tablet as far as weight is concerned. When it comes to sensors, you have accelerometer sensor, proximity sensor, light sensor, gyro, and other sensors as well. Again, as you can see, this is running on the Yola Sailfish OS, and again this Sailfish OS does give you a lot of things to do. We have already reviewed this particular OS operating system on a Yola phone, which we have seen launching in India, which was kind of high in terms of the price, but this is how it is. And again, the device in terms of the operating system does have a lot to offer. So definitely this tablet will see light in India as well. When, we don't know, at what price we don't know, but definitely it is a promising tablet. You have the Sailfish OS, which can be consumed on this bigger display, so you have more area to actually use it, and more features you can actually enjoy on this one, which is very nice. Again, the UI is very much different from any other UI which you might have seen. If you love this UI, you can go for this tablet. Overall specification wise, this looks like a decent tablet, but definitely a kind of a different thing. Especially it is something for geeks who would like to take it. I don't know for the consumers whether they would like to take it. Thickness is around 8.3 millimeter. Weight is again okay, not too much. And then you have a lot of things which is something unique on this device as far as the Sailfish OS, which is running on this one. We have loudspeaker at the back side, matte finish back cover, which will again make a very good grip when you hold this device in hand. It is kind of bigger to hold in one hand. This is a problem because it has a 7.85 IPS display. Viewing angles are good, the display clarity is good, the color projection is also good, and here we have all the applications which are coming pre-installed. Let me just take a look over the camera performance as of now and show you how does the camera actually look like when you take a photo on this one. And just launch the camera.
The camera is
okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, you have already been here.
The camera is not working.
This, keep in mind, this is a prototype.
Okay.
The software.
Okay. So the camera is not working on this one, as we just got to know. It is actually a prototype and the camera won't work, but this will come with a final version very soon, and it will also come to India. Let's see at what price and which date it comes to India. Thanks for watching this video. In case you have any questions, you can leave your questions in the comment section below. You can like this video if this video helped you by clicking the like button below. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this by clicking the subscribe button below. Thanks. So as far as availability goes for this one, this is right now available on Indigo, and this is the URL. You can go to this URL, you can note that, I will just hold it. So you can go to this URL and pre-order this one, and then the final version will be released and it will be shipped to you. Yeah. So in terms of storage, it is 32 GB of internal storage, 2 GB of RAM, and you can also buy a 64 GB version of this one, which is also going to be available via Indigo. So that's about the storage. For watching this video, this is Abhishek signing off. Thank you.